Welcome back to Runman Records design. Today we show you beautiful garden gates for your yard. Creative DIY backyard ideas. From traditional and rustic designs to modern and creative DIY ideas, there is a wide range of options to choose from when it comes to garden gate styles. This video delves into various garden gate ideas, providing inspiration for every taste and practical tips on materials, customization, security features, and maintenance to help you make the perfect choice for your garden. Rustic and farmhouse inspired garden gates. To add a touch of rustic charm to your garden, consider weathered wood gates. These gates have a weathered appearance that blends seamlessly with a farmhouse style garden. For a whimsical and quaint look, charming cottage style gates are perfect. They evoke a sense of nostalgia and coziness, making your garden feel like a countryside escape. Modern and contemporary garden gate styles. For those craving a more sleek and modern look, sleek metal designs are a fantastic option. These gates offer a contemporary feel and can complement a modern garden design beautifully. If you are a fan of clean lines and simplicity, minimalist glass gates provide a chic and minimalist entrance to your garden. Creative DIY garden gate ideas. If you're feeling crafty and want to put personal touch on your garden gate, consider using repurposed materials for unique gates. Whether it's old doors, pallets, or even bike wheels, the possibilities are endless. Alternatively, explore handcrafted gate designs or a bespoke gate that showcases your creativity and craftsmanship. Let your DIY spirit shine through in your garden gate design. Enhancing security with stylish garden gates. When it comes to garden gates, style and security can go hand in hand. Integrated security features offer peace of mind without sacrificing aesthetics. Keep your garden secure with options like smart locks, motion sensor lights, or even hidden cameras discreetly built into the gate. Choosing the right material for your garden gate. Metal, wood, or vinyl. Each material brings its own charm and considerations to the table. Compare the durability, maintenance needs, and style options of metal, wood, and vinyl gates to find the perfect fit for your garden. Before you make your choice, think about the climate in your area and how much maintenance you're willing to commit to. a gate that complements your garden design while standing strong against the elements is the goal. Customizing your garden gate. Personalized touches. A garden gate is not just an entrance, but a canvas for personalization. Add decorative elements like ornate designs, quirky door knockers, or even a pop of color to make your gate stand out. For a truly personalized touch, consider monogrammed or nameplate gates. Welcome visitors with a gate that not only secures your garden, but also reflects your unique style and personality. Maintenance tips for long-lasting garden gates. To keep your garden gate looking its best for years to come, regular maintenance is key. Follow cleaning and painting guidelines specific to your gate's material to prevent rust, rot, or fading. Friends, thank you for watching. I hope you find his creative garden ideas very helpful. Don't forget to share interesting garden gate ideas with your friends. See you soon. You watched the channel about landscape design and garden, Runman Records Design.